Hello and welcome back to National Life Insurance Awareness Month. I'm Steve Swanson, and today we're in week 3 of our educational series about life insurance. Today we are going to discuss how you or a family member may be a great fit to obtain life insurance. We're going to start with the easiest one first. If you're single and you have no dependents and you really don't have any debts and there's enough money to cover your funeral expenses, then maybe at this time life insurance you don't have to be so concerned with. If you're single and happen to be the primary provider for your children, then life insurance becomes a different story. You don't want to leave behind a mound of debt, especially a mortgage, where there could be a risk of losing a home, and life insurance could be an easy solution for this. Another thing to consider is college tuition. Whether you're paying for this now or in the future, you don't want to put this in jeopardy. For those of you who are married or married with children, life insurance is a must, something you always want to have in place. Have you thought about your family, how they could go on without your yearly income? Or how your family will address the following: mortgage payments, car payments, student loans, and yes, college tuition. These are just a few items to remind us how important it is to protect your loved ones with life insurance. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to call us at Kennedy Nemier. We're here for you and your life insurance needs.